Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Sakishima Building Observatory. Cosmo Tower. The Sakishima Building Observatory, a Cosmo Tower, is a tall building in Suminoe Ward, Osaka. It was a beautiful observation deck on the top floor, where visitors can enjoy great views of Osaka Bay. The building was once called Osaka World Trade Center (WTC) and is now used as a government office. It is 252 meters tall and has one of the tallest observatories in Japanese. The observatory is on the 55th floor. You reach it by riding a glass elevator and then walking through a glass walled sky corridor. On clear days, you can see Awaji Island, the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge, and Kansai International Airport. The sunset is beautiful and the night view is also very popular. Recently, special events like a projection mapping and light shows are held here, making the observatory more fun. The tower is also near Umeshima, the site of the Expo 2025, so this area is getting more attention. You can get to see Cosmo Tower easily. It's directly connected to Trade Center Mae Station and Osaka Metro Chuo Line and New Tram. Even on rainy days, it's easy to visit. If you want to see the both city and sea views from high above, the Sakishima Building Observatory is a great place to go. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.